Well, here I am at it again. I was just thinking about this. This is that Galaxy I got a few weeks ago. Well, about a month ago. I think it needs a starting capacitor, start run capacitor. I don't know. I'm guessing it's a 2.0 microfarad. I'm not sure. But this fan does not run right, I don't think. It starts so freaking slow. The motor spins very, very well. But I don't know. My other one, it's like it spins up quicker, runs stronger. I don't have a ohm meter to ohm this turd out. So, I don't know, but here, watch. This is it starting up. This is low. Takes it forever to get going. And then it's just barely going. Can't even hardly hear it. And then medium is how low should be. And high. Is honestly how medium should be. I don't know. I don't know if it's just an underpowered model or if the start run capacitor is actually bad. I don't know. If someone has one like this, if it's just runs just like this, let me know. You know, I'm not sure. Like I said, I just got the other brown one. Never had one with the rounded blades like this, so any information would be appreciated. Comment to me, whatever. Someone let me know. Thanks for watching.